Hi guys, I'm gonna do an unboxing. This little, whoa. I need to do this up high. So if you can see me. So this is the big box. It's a coffee maker. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. Open it. Well, I have in here just a slip, some papers, let's see if I can get this out. This is my new Keurig that I bought. Does everything. This is it. The new Keurig. Did a thumbnail. Oh, my cat likes to get into the empty box. Let's see. Let's open this baby. My nice new Keurig. It does a lot of things. It does iced coffee, 5 cups, strong brew. It's the K-Elite, and that's it there. Gonna open it. Let's see. Try to get up and open it. I gotta get a scissor. Be right back. Gotta get a scissor. Break the seal. You like the box, Jack? What they give me here? This is the other little booklet. And they give me some hot cocoa. I don't know what that is. Some of the parts, I guess. Take her out of the box. Okay, I'm gonna go set her up, and I'll be back in a second. Set her up and be back. Okay guys, I'm gonna set my machine up. scissor. Ow, Jack! Be a good boy. This is a nice machine. A very nice machine I got here. Still here. Let's try to undo this. Okay. Plug it in. Take these tape thingies off. There. Okay. Set her back there. Top is the tray. Still here, guys. Just trying to set this thing up. Pull these tabs off. Now I'm going to put water in here. I got this one of these hoses. Build up. Okay. Now, I guess I could put a Keurig in here. I got a Starbucks Keurig. Let's stick it in there. Have my cup. I'll show you. This is what it looks like. It's got a clock on here. You can put it to strong, hot water, small, medium, large, and we can make iced coffee. And I'm not sure what that button is for. And then this is the timer up here. So let's press. See how you start this. And it is small. I added the water. Don't know what these, but oh, that's the timer. Okay, small. This is setting the timer. I'm not sure what I'm doing here yet. Okay. Hot water. My Keurig cup is in. I don't know if I forgot to do something to start it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I just set up this thing. I had to put a filter in here. Put the filter and clean this out, rinse it. And then I gotta turn it on to heat up. I'm gonna put my coffee cup in here. It's gonna heat up in a few seconds. Push this in all the way. I don't think it's in all the way. I'm gonna fix that. Takes 3 minutes to heat up. Okay, and I'm gonna press the small cup. Add hot water. Now come on. Here comes the coffee. heating up. I have to fix it, it's not in all the way. And I'm going to put my creamer in it. I really like this coffee maker. And this is a slate color coffee maker. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. Not sponsored. So it's almost done. And I love this mug. Black cat. Because I got a black cat. Somebody gave me this mug. And it's gonna come out soon. There it goes. It's looking good. Smells good. And so I tried. It's a small cup of coffee. So, and that's it. I might put my creamer in now. This is the creamer I use. Give it a little stir. And now I'm gonna taste my coffee. Here we go, tasting. That is really good coffee. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.